Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for mascarpone ice cream. This is actually a little bit funny how it came about. It was relatively spontaneous. Was that we had a whole bunch of mascarpone cheese in the refrigerator, and my daughters really wanted a dessert, and I just thought, well, we should be able to make something out of this, right? And so I looked up a couple recipes and I found this one that was relatively simple. So let's get started. Not too many ingredients. We need 1 cup or 225 milliliters mascarpone cheese, half a cup or 110 milliliters whipping cream, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract or 3 tablespoons vanilla sugar, half a cup or 110 grams of sugar, a quarter cup or 50 grams of brown sugar, quarter teaspoon salt. Begin by combining the mascarpone cheese with the whipping cream and vanilla and beat them together. Keep this in the fridge while moving on to the next step. Then, in a heat-proof bowl, whisk eggs and the sugars and salt. Heat the mixture over a double boiler. This will allow the sugar to dissolve with the eggs nicely and will kill any bacteria in the eggs. Heat until the sugar is completely dissolved and the mixture feels hot to the touch. Remove from heat and beat with the mixer until it is completely cool and thickens to the point of ribboning. This will take a few minutes, so be patient. I think I beat it for 10 minutes. Using a whisk, combine egg mixture with mascarpone cheese mixture. Pour the mixture into a sealable containers and freeze in the freezer for at least 3 hours. Overnight is better. This is a lovely base ice cream. It tastes amazing with toppings. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.